Hey, this is one of our little small block Chryslers. This is a 360 stroker, which is a 408 cubic inch engine. This is 500 horsepower package. Again, everything is custom built in-house. You get to choose the color of wires, choose the color of the engine block. This one happens to be a Phytech EFI system that we think is fantastic. EFI is the way to go today with these early hot rods. We got the MSD, we got Eagle rotating assembly, Edelbrock heads, full bolt mark system. To build these motors in a variety of ways. It's what the customer chooses and what we build. And here, we have a lot of years of experience, so if there's something we can help you with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, Craig, I got your 408 Chrysler stroker for your 72 Plymouth. We're going to fire this thing up for you.